Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another section of the shock assembly. So now we want to draw the self-locking nut using the following dimension, which is of the hexagonal shape. So I am going to launch my ProE, and I'm going to set the working directory. So now I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to name it self-locking nut. And I'm going to remove use default template here. So I'm going to sketch this nut from the front view, from the front plane. So I'm going to choose the hexagonal shape under the palette option here, and I'm going to double click and sketch this hexagonal shape here, or you can even sketch it here or here or here. So I'm going to sketch it here. So now I'm going to modify these dimensions because I want the distance across flats, which is the distance from this line to this line, and I'm going to delete. So let me check my dimensions. So the distance across flats is 155. So I'm going to enter 155 here. Now I want to align this point to this axis. So I'm going to use this option here, and I'm going to select this point to this point, and I'm done. And I'm going to enter a distance of 0 here. So as you can see, it's now aligned. So now I'm going to sketch the circle of diameter or 75, which is drill to hole. So I'm going to enter the circle command, and I'm going to enter the diameter of 75. Done. So I'm going to extrude this both sides to a distance of 65. So I am done. So I can preview this. So I am done. Now I want to produce this curve and also this curve. So I'm going to use the top plane. I'm going to use the top plane and enter the sketch mode. So I'm going to select my references. So I'm going to enter the circle command, and I'm going to sketch a circle, and I want this circle to be tangential to this line and also this line. So I'm going to use the line to a curve tangent option here. And I'm going to enter the diameter of 60, because here we are given the radius of 30. So I guess I am done. So now I'm going to select the center line here, and I'm going to sketch a vertical line and also a horizontal line here, and I'm going to remove material. So I'm going to enter the line command, and I'm going to draw something like this, and I'm going to select the geometric center line, and I'm going to sketch it here, which is going to be the line of revolvement, whereby this part is going to be revolved here. So I'm going to select done and select the revolve option, and I'm going to remove material and view this. So as you can see, I am done. So now I want to produce the cylindrical part, which is on top of the self-locking nut of height 50. So I'm going to sketch two circles of diameter 75 and 100 using the top surface. I'm going to select this top surface, sketch. So I'm going to select my reference, which is this circle, and also the x-axis and the y-axis. So now I'm going to enter the sketch circle mode, and I'm going to draw a circle of same radius and also another circle which is of radius 100, of diameter 100. So I guess I am done, and then I'm going to extrude it to a distance of 50. So I'm going to preview. So as you can see, we are done. So I am going to save this. So guys, see you in the next tutorial.